What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Trading Crypto. Today over AIOZ, which is down 1.8% at 79 cents. We did break below $1 billion market cap. We're at 899 million. We have 1.1 billion coins in circulation out of Infinite. I'm always cautious with infinite supply because that means obviously they could mint an infinite supply of the coin. So not financial advice, but definitely do your own research, figure out what the unlocking period is for the coins and if there even is an unlocking period. Not to bash on this coin. I mean, Ethereum's an infinite supply coin as well, and that thing's up to what, almost 4K. So 3 years ago was the all-time high, last bull run at 265, all-time low. Wow. If we would have bought September 13th, guys, at a penny, we'd be up 71x on our investment. Man, oh man. Only if you could time travel back, huh? Currently available in the following markets: Coinbase, Gate.io, Bybit, and then the rest. There's 4 different pages down here, so if you want it, you can probably find it somewhere. So with that, let's get into the price prediction and technical analysis on AOZ. All right, everybody, let's get into AIOZ. This is what we had charted last time. I have no idea when I charted this last, but obviously we hit the 1 2 3 6. We hit the 1 2 3 6 again. We're starting to see a retracement. So I'm going to restart it here. What we're currently looking at now, we had that resistance that I just talked about on the indicators on the day chart. We're pretty toppy right now. I'm not going to lie. We are about ready to flip bearish here on the MACD. For the last 6 days, we've been less and less bullish. If we look at the RSI is starting to tail down as well after putting in a higher high. And then the WTX as well. The WTX looks like it has like a quadruple top happening here. So in the meantime, for AIOZ network, I do think we are going to be seeing a slight retracement. But the great part about this breakout that we had here on November 7th is he broke out of this downtrend. He broke out of the downtrend that you've been in since March of 2024. So nonetheless, yes, we are at a top right now, but I think it's just a local top. And we'll be seeing some decent size movement here after a slight retracement. And if we draw the short-term fib off the initial run up here, you can see that 786 area as the support at about 60 to 58 cents. That was a pretty heavy resistance area going back to, June all the way till November 12th right here, constantly keeping us rejected as we consolidate between the 786 618. So in the meantime, I think that might be the play here for AOZ, is a retracement back down to around 60 cents, and then we can rally up from that point on. Indicators on the day chart are just a little hot. Nonetheless, once we come back down here, a lot of these indicators are going to be putting in higher lows as well. You can see off the RSI, we had a high, low, higher low, higher high. We're going to have a higher low, and then we can continue our rally to the upside. So it's just a slight retracement. If anything, just think of it as a chance to be able to pick some up a little bit cheaper. Nothing to worry about. Nothing goes up forever, but we're not going to be seeing as heavy corrections in this bull run as we were in the bear market. That's the mindset that I kind of am working out of right now. We've been in the bear market so long that when you start seeing corrections, you think they'd be dropping 50, 60% like they did in the bear market. But that's just not the case during the bull run here. You're going to have slight retracements, but the overall momentum is going to be bullish. So that's what we're going to be looking for here for AIOZ. Now, realistically, what was the all-time high on this? $1.90 something? 265. So if we did 265 as the all-time high last time, and we go from the bottom to the top right here, I'd be keeping an eye on maybe $4 to a blow off top at around 22. Now that's definitely possible with a coin that's under $1 billion market cap. Um, Unrealistically, I'd keep an eye on that. Normally during a bull run, if you go from the bull run top or bottom to the prior high, you normally hit that 1 2 3 6 area, and then you flirt around with the top between that 1 2 3 6 and the 618. So realistically, I would start taking profit, not financial advice, at about $3.50. And then I would be looking for a possible 10, like realistically, like a $10 AOZ for something like that. And then back to the bear market. So with that, none of this is financial advice. And if there's any coins you'd like me to chart, you can just send me a super chat in the comments and I'll get to your coin as soon as possible. Thank you.